main one is how good the lecturers have been, how kind they all are. They end up being more of your friends than your lecturers or teachers or whatever you look at them at.
It is really international friendly. I've been the international student officer for this year, so it shows me how the people and the community and the fact that they are so friendly, and I think it's a great place to study.
I took the year out in employment, and being able to see how you can actually use what you learn in practice was just amazing, and then coming back with so much knowledge already, I knew just how useful it really is in real life.
I've actually accepted a job in Bath starting in September, so that's going to be a trainee accountant role. They pay for all my exams and I'll be a chartered accountant in 3 years.
I'm already working, so I'm working in Peacocks, working as a trainee recruitment advisor. With a view to move into HR.
Here you can study with a peace environment, and you can relax because we have a sea. So yeah, this is the best place to study.
It's just such an amazing experience. Aberystwyth is just a really nice place to learn as well. All of the kind of lecturers, all of the learning has been fantastic, all of the teaching, and just the environment around here as well you can't beat it.